Welcome back to Stunning Facts. Today, we're diving into the mysterious and enigmatic realm of the dark web. Buckle up, because we're about to shed light on some astonishing facts you probably didn't know. What is the dark web? The dark web is a hidden part of the internet where you can't use regular search engines to find websites. It's a secretive place where people can stay anonymous. But it's just a small part of the larger deep web, which includes hidden but harmless websites. Silk Road and the dark web's infamous past. A famous moment in the dark web's history was when Silk Road, an online illegal marketplace, was created by someone named Ross Ulbricht. It sold illegal things like drugs and fake passports. Surprisingly, it operated for over 2 years before the FBI shut it down. The dark web is known for selling illegal stuff, but did you know you can also buy things like stolen data, hacking tools, and even hire hitmen? To use the dark web, people often use a special browser called Tor. It bounces your internet connection through different servers, making it very hard to track you. Interestingly, Tor was first made by the US Navy. Despite its bad reputation, the dark web is also a place where whistleblowers and activists can go to share secrets and protected information. Platforms like WikiLeaks have used it to keep sources safe. Not everything on the dark web is illegal. You can find forums to talk about privacy, security, and even book clubs. It's a mix of different things. If you ever decide to check out the dark web, which isn't recommended, remember it's risky. There are scams, viruses, and bad people. Always make sure to stay safe online. Many transactions on the dark web are done using cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Cryptocurrencies offer a level of anonymity that makes them popular for buying illegal stuff online. This connection between the dark web and cryptocurrencies has played a significant role in its operations. The dark web is a hub for buying and selling hacking tools and stolen data. This has a direct impact on our online security. When hackers get their hands on these tools, they can carry out cyber attacks, making it important for cybersecurity experts to monitor the dark web to protect us from potential threats. Law enforcement agencies worldwide are actively working to track down and arrest individuals involved in illegal dark web activities. They use advanced technology to trace transactions and identify those responsible. It's a constant battle between criminals and the authorities. If you found these additional facts intriguing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Stunning Facts for more enlightening content. We're here to keep you informed and curious about the world around us.